This is the elevator at some building on Main Street. I'll get in the title. In Akron, Ohio. His original Otis, but sadly was modernized by Otis Series 2. Exterior lantern on the side and interior lantern. Basement. There's also a service elevator, which I think is a Rossbourough. But I think that one I saw the down button pressed. I don't think that one working on it's on independent or something.
Basement.
Here, basement. I think this was mine in 2014. Up to 8. Turn it on. Oh wait, this is the Malone building, I just remembered. You're at 8. That's on 184. It opened right into a tenant. The desk was like immediately across the elevator. It's a weird pattern cabinet. It looks like lava or something. It's really weird. I don't know if this is when this cabinet. It almost looks like it's from the 80s.